Greetings. So this particular video is for for a friend of mine to look at for installing fiber optic cable to my house, fiber optic internet service to my house. And if you know, I'm trying to explain how it travels into my house through email. It's a little bit of a challenge. And I wanted to find out if it's something that the installers will be able to do, or should I do the install as much of it myself, because the key would be the right kind of cable. If I don't install the right kind of cable, the install wouldn't be correct. So yeah, so that's what this video is all about. So it comes over the house from the front of the yard, from the street, over the house to here. This is where my electricity comes in and my phone line, and the high-speed internet fiber optic cable will come over here. This house used to be a trailer on the property, so the trailer rules is that you can't attach utilities to the actual house, even though it's pretty much a house now. It doesn't really matter much. So it goes down the pole and then goes to here, and so that's where the power meter is. On the other side of the pole is the interface box for the telephone company, and then for the telephone line it goes into a conduit that goes down. It just basically lays on the ground and goes up into this box right over there. See that box? And then the wire goes in and it runs behind the walls all the way over to here. Goes to there where on the other side the phone line is, and then goes into a conduit, a flexible conduit that runs over to that box down there, and then it runs behind the wall. This was back when I could run behind the wall, but I can't run behind the wall anymore. So the internet line would have to run along the wall on the outside in conduit down to this box, here, and then enter in this box. And then on the other side of this wall is where my computer and my phone and the router, all that stuff is. So it can't be installed any other places on any other surface on the house and then run over to here, because it would have to cross over things. I don't really have access to the crawl space, not me personally, and it's limited access to the crawl space in the roof. So the best thing to do would be to run it along the wall in conduit and just enter into this box and then go in. So you can see a coax cable running into a pipe. I've had intentions at one point was to put in a satellite dish, free-to-air satellite dish, but I changed my mind because the selections weren't quite what I was looking for. So that is to say is that.